it's Anya here at ourgabled.home, and just like last year, I am doing a Handmade Christmas Presents edition 2020, and I'm showing you my favorite handmade presents that you can still make before Christmas if you're watching this, let's say a couple of weeks before Christmas, or even a week before Christmas. So keep on watching. Is a homemade calendula salve, and it's really easy to make. All you really need is some oil and some calendula flowers that you can pick up. I do have a tutorial which I will be linking in the box below this video, where you will find all the links for all the things that I am going to show you today. And I do have a tutorial how you can make your own oil, and then from that oil, with just some beeswax, how you can make your own calendula salve. It's very healing and it smells wonderful like beeswax, and you can put it on dry skin, on cracked skin, on wounds, on sores, on burns, on cuts, and it's just a really cute handmade gift. You put it in a little glass jar or a cute tin, you put a little label on it, and this is a really lovely handmade Christmas present. If you know somebody who loves to bake or cook in the kitchen, these hand crochet pot holders are really easy to make. If you know how to make a basic crochet stitch, you can make these in probably an evening, if not 2 evenings. And you can personalize them in certain colors that your person you're trying to gift this to loves to have in their kitchen, or just use a really easy neutral color like I did here. 2 pot holders, really easy to make. And if you'd rather knit than crochet, here is a hot water bottle cover. These hot water bottles are really popular in Europe, and you can fill them up with hot water. You can stay warm and cozy in your bed. You can use it if you have cramps or stomach aches and pains or cough. You can put it on your chest, and they just don't feel really good if you're exposing the rubber right next to your skin. So that's where you can knit, and it doesn't take long at all. These cute covers, again, neutral colors, or you can apply something here like a heart, or you can add another more fancy stitch if that's your liking. So that is a really nice gift. And if you don't know if somebody actually has a hot water bottle, again, check the box below this video, because I'll be giving you a link where you can find this. Really inexpensive and so versatile. I have an older one here that I made some years ago, where you can see that I made a little bit more of a turtleneck, if you will, and this one I simply knitted up to here. Hot water bottle cover. If you're watching this video and you're thinking, gosh, I would really like to make these, but I don't know how to crochet, I don't know how to knit, stay tuned, because I will be doing in the early 2021 a video about basic crochet stitches and basic knitting stitches, so that you can tackle these projects and from there gain the confidence to make more homemade gifts. Again, if you have somebody you would like to gift something to that likes to bake, here is homemade vanilla sugar. While a lot of people are aware of homemade vanilla extract, that can sometimes mess up your ingredients. If, let's say, you want to bake a cookie and it would make it too wet, and you don't want to measure out how much less of another ingredient you need. And so this is where the vanilla sugar comes in. It's also a little bit, it's a different thing. So I have one here that's darker coconut palm sugar, and here's an organic lighter sugar and really easy to make. You put these in cute little jars. You can always tie a burlap or linen ribbon around them, and they make really nice gifts for somebody who loves to bake or to cook.
And then we have here this linen basket. You can use it for bread, you can use it for gifting. You could put your gifts right in here, and if you wanted to add the salve, and let's say this is a really nice person and gets a lot of gifts from you, you could even add the pot holders to it. So this could make a little gift basket for gifting, or you simply give it with some bagels in it, or if you have somebody that likes wooden spoons, you could organize them in here. There's different sizes you can make. You can totally customize it. You can make this a little narrower or a little wider, and I have folded over my top here because it's actually pretty long. So this is how big mine is, and then depending on what you use it for, you only fold it over once or a few times. So a little handmade linen basket that could either be your gift basket or the standalone gift. Final item here is these linen beeswax wraps. I love to combine the antimicrobial and antibacterial properties of beeswax with the antimicrobial and antibacterial properties of linen. And so here is a small one that would be perfect for a smaller jar. I'm just going to use my cup here to show you, and you can just press it down and it will stay there. So that's a smaller one. This is a round one. I made a few round ones because I needed specific sizes, and you can tell this is well loved and well used. And then I have a bigger one that I made. You can make them square, so it's a little easier to wrap sandwiches in them. And oh, I love the smell. That makes a really nice gift because you'll be cutting down on plastic in your kitchen, and they're really simple to make. There's various methods. Again, I have a video that shows you exactly how to make them. You will find all the links in the box below this video so that you can go ahead and create your handmade Christmas gifts just before Christmas. And if you're trying to be eco-friendly and frugal, you can always use some twine here to wrap up your gifts. You can roll this up and you can wrap a little linen strip here, a little ribbon to it. You can be really creative and make your gift very personal, and just showing that this is something that you made for somebody with them in mind. There's really nothing like the personal handmade gifts that show that you poured some love and some effort into the gift making. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you did, give me a thumbs up. And if you're new on my channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button as I upload a new video every week. You can also turn on the bell notification, so if you're interested in the knitting and crochet video, you will not miss it when it comes out. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.